Hello everyone, welcome back to Engshala. In today's video, we will learn how to write different types of formal letters as per the class 10th English syllabus. So stay tuned till the end. So let's see the kind of formal letters. Complaint letters, letter to editor, inquiry letter, and placing and cancelling orders. So let's start with a letter to the editor, which is used to bring public issues to attention. So write your address at the top. So sender's address. Then leave one line and write date. After that, receiver's address. Then a subject, a clear short line about the complaint. Then the body of the letter. Divide the letter into three paragraphs. In the first para, introduce yourself and mention the purpose of writing it. Like, I'm Akash, a resident of Gokuldham Society. Through your newspaper, I want to bring attention to the poor hygiene condition in our society. Then, in the second paragraph, explain the issue and its effect. And the third paragraph, request action. Like, for the last 10-12 days, no sweeper have come and garbage have piled up everywhere. This has led to mosquitoes, flies, bad smell, making it difficult for people to live comfortably. So you can give 2-3 points to explain the issues and its effects. Now, in the third paragraph, I request the concerned authorities to take immediate action and send sweepers to clean the area as soon as possible. So you can say that these are the closing line, which is a polite request or urgent action. Then thanking you or thank you. After that, yours sincerely, Akash, means your name and signature. Now, letter for cancelling an order means suppose you ordered product but they arrived late or were defective. You need to cancel the order and request a refund. Now, the key points you need to remember while writing such kind of letters that mention the order number and date. Then state why you are cancelling, means delay, damage, or wrong product. Then request a refund or corrective action. Also warn about legal action if necessary. Now look at the format for placing an order. So sender's and receiver's address, date, and then in the subject, clearly mention placing an order for. Means here you need to add the article name. Now here you need to provide the details of the order, like items, quantity, and specification. Then mention the expected delivery date and payments terms. Like the delivery must be completed within 15 days, failing which the order may be considered cancel. Then a polite closing, like looking forward to a smooth transaction and good business relation. Now the next is a letter of inquiry. So a person searching for a course online appears here. So these things will remain the same: sender address, date, and receiver's address. Now in the subject, clearly state your reason for inquiry, means inquiry about if it is a product or any kind of service. In the first paragraph, your name, residing at your address, recently came across your organization or service in the newspaper, or maybe due to your friend's recommendation, dated. So I'm interested in knowing more details about product, service, course, or any trip. Then request specific details like duration, fee and payment option, topics covered, facilities provided, accommodation details if applicable, or any other important details according to the question. You can also ask about discounts or additional benefits. The letter of complaint. So if you receive the wrong or damaged product, you need to file a complaint letter. So here also sender address, date, receiver address, the subject, mention the order number. Now in the body of the letter also mention order number and date. Then clearly state the problem: wrong item, damage or missing part, like torn pages, incorrect addition, damaged binding. Like if it is an electrical item, buttons not working, display issue, poor performance, etc. Request replacement or refund. Set a deadline for resolution. Like, I expect your company to send a representative to rectify the issue or replace the defective item at the earliest. So kindly address this matter as soon as possible. Now waiting for your prompt response and immediate action. Did you find this video helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe for more and comment below with your doubts. Thank you.